It is quite interesting to know that over half of the world population are on social media. It is necessary for businesses to have an online presence. A strong social media presence can strengthen your company's reputation and visibility while opening window into your customers' activity and your competitors' strategy. Businesses both big and small utilizes social media to grow their online presence, gain followers, and connect with their audience. However, there are many social media platforms available, and their different uses can make building your online presence, online brand feel like a daunting task. However, if you're just getting started or you are a pro at this, there is always room for improvement. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on social media marketing strategy for success. Here are simple tips to up your social media game and successfully market your brand. 1. Create a strategy. Every platform is different on its own, and it is important to understand what works best to create targeted content and generate engagement based on the platform. Some questions to consider are: why am I using this platform? Who is my target audience? What brand message am I trying to push? What content works best on this platform? How can I make my content unique? 2. Select the best platform. It is usually a mistake to cultivate followers on every social media platform. Most people make the mistake of building followers on every social media platform, thereby losing focus. The person managing the social media will be overloaded with tasks and can walk off track. The end result will be messy. Facebook is a giant social media platform. It is also good for businesses to have a presence on LinkedIn. Both may be the one that companies should focus on. What you offer is the key to choosing the best social media platform for your brand. Selling directly to the customers, Facebook is your best option. Targeting younger audience, Snapchat or Instagram might perform the best. Marketing to other companies, LinkedIn could be your golden ticket. Where are the competitors? Put your investigative research on and find out which channel your customers are using. Study their presence and look at their followers. It's not required that you be on every social media channel. But seeing a competitor with tons of followers and engagement should prompt you to move that particular social media channel to the top of your list. Successful social media marketing takes a chunk of time to manage. It is far better to choose 1 or 2 social media and invest in them than have 5 or 6 different social media channels and spread the message too thin. 3. Employ a qualified manager. It takes a unique quality to be a savvy social media expert. One of the mistakes companies frequently make is to choose the person who has the slightest shadow or the cheapest per hour rate with no regards for whether or not they are built for the job. Strategic thinking. There is always a strategic thinker behind successful social media marketing. Companies should look at the candidates for the job closely and discuss the short and long-term goal. The person needs to understand how to lay out posts, choose content, and engage with followers in a way that builds towards success. Organizational skill. Running a social media campaign demands someone that can lay out strategy in a step-by-step approach. They need to have a handle on their time and control their calendar. Simply posting when they feel like won't do much to move the brand forward. Branding experts. They may not be the face of the company, but they are the voice. It is necessary for the social media manager to understand the company brand on the in-depth level. It is imperative to possess good grammatical and spelling skill and exhibit professionalism in all situations. 4. Be consistent. Posting consistency brings the needed growth on your chosen social media platform. Posting content regularly is always a good rule of thumb to follow. However, there is a need to improve social media strategy. Creating a content calendar for each platform is another way to keep things on track. The calendar will lay out what kind of content to post over a long period of time, regardless of your business size and what platform you are using. Be conscious of keeping consistent with brand image, brand message, posting frequently, and the hashtag. Moreover, if your business is just getting started on social media, sometimes quality is better than quantity. Don't stretch yourself too much. Dedicate to posting good content on 1 to 2 platforms instead of being consistent across 5 platforms. Number 5, create engaging and interesting content. With social media feeds and timeline being saturated by millions of people, it is important to stand out from the crowd by creating good content. So, what is good content? While that is a term subjective and depends on the platform, here are some general tips for good content creation. Newsworthiness. Anything that is considered newsworthy is good idea to generate content around. The pillar of newsworthiness are timeliness, proximity, conflict, controversy, human interest, and relevance. Media. Static images should have a clear vision and not include lots of words. That is what the caption is for. Using GIF or video is excellent. The movement attracts the audience's attention and is more interesting to look at than just an image. Include your staffs. It is a great way for your audience to get to know the staffs behind the brand. Storytelling. Use storytelling as a way to engage the audience and develop a brand voice. It is a creative way to convey your message without seemingly like you are trying to sell a product. Trend. Certain current digital and societal trends are important to stay relevant on. However, make sure that it's aligned with your brand. 6. Engagement. Engaging with your followers in building a community makes them feel more friendly. Ways to do this include liking and responding to comments, live to stream, creating polls and quiz, post content that resonates with your brand. 7. Track and analyze metrics. Diving deep into social media analytics is one of the most important steps to take when building your brand online. Thankfully, most social media apps already track your metrics as long as it is business accounts. With the data and statistics, you can effectively analyze your strategy and continue to drive performance. 8. Embrace your mistake. We are all human and we make mistakes. It is important to accept mistakes and improve on the fast-growing world of social media. Instead of being ignorant of your mistakes, accept your mistake, apologize, and move on. Work on your mistakes and tell your customer about the improvements. They will love to hear that you worked on your mistakes to provide them with a better services. For example, a product error or accidentally you charge a customer credit card twice. To remedy the situation, respond immediately in such scenario. Publish a post from your social media account telling how you handle the error. 9. Embrace paid social skill in your brand. While organic social media followers should be a focus of your strategy, don't forget about paid social media ads. Customers are familiar with sponsored content and aren't put off by seeing it on their feeds. If they already have the intent to purchase, a well-placed and engaging ad can make all the difference between a sale and a scroll. The best B2C marketing strategy will feature a mixture of both. Paid ad can help get your brand name in front of right people, and it doesn't cost much. Even a small monthly budget can target your ideal prospects and lead to new customer acquisition and new opportunities. Finally, creating a targeted and effective social media strategy will improve your performance online. Utilizing unique ways to interact with your audience can increase your reach. And most importantly, analyzing your metrics will help you determine whether or not you are on the right track. Social media are constantly evolving, and with new trends every day, these tips will help you to craft your strategy and grow your audience. Check the playlist of my video on making money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye.